In the previous lesson, we took a look at the at method where you can use it to get an index position of a specified character in your string. So in this particular lesson, we'll be looking at how you can convert text to both upper and lower case. You know, in English, when you write a sentence, it is usually denoted that the beginning of every, word starts with a capital letter, and then the subsequent one, you can write it in lower case, depending on what your requirement or your needs are. So the same way you can work with string in JavaScript, converting it to either upper or lower case, as we shall be taking a look at this in this particular lesson. So let's dive in. So I'll make a new HTML file, and then I'll give it an heading and say converting to upper and lower case. Converting string to upper and lower case. And then I'll just simply make a script tag, make a text. Since I'm making a string, I need this hello world. I need the quotes. So let results equals text to uppercase. So I'm saying that it transform all of these things into an uppercase document.write. Then the results. As you can see on my screen, you can see that all of my value for this particular variable has been transformed into uppercase. And the same way I can use the lowercase method by just changing from lowercase to uppercase to lowercase. And you will see that now, even though I have a caps H and a caps W, everything has turned totally into a lowercase value. And do not forget that when you are using this method while working with string, always take note of how this method is named. You can see that it's following the rule of camel casing. The beginning of each word is capitalized. The lower has a capital N and the case has a capital C. So this is how you use upper and then to lower case in your code while working with string. So you can see as well, just for another demonstration. So if you change this word from hello world and change it to like London or something, anything, so JavaScript will capitalize it as long as this method is in use. And if you want it to change it to capital letter, just change from upper to lowercase. It will fetch you the result that you want in your code, as you can see on my screen. So this is how you convert a string to either upper or lower case while working with string in JavaScript. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.